Hi, my name is Tiffany and I will be guiding you through your practice today. I have for you a 10-minute slow flow class. Let's get started. Meet me on your backs. The soles of your feet are touching, all 10 toes are touching, Tabata Kanasana. Spread the knees out wide as they will go. Your hands can either be out to the side with the palms up to the sky or down to the ground. Another option is to bring one hand to your heart and one hand to your belly. And when you're ready, close your eyes. If closing your eyes is not accessible to you, that's totally fine. Just give yourself a nice soft gaze. Really start to focus in on just the four corners of your mat. Relaxing all the muscles in your face. Maybe you had a frown in your forehead that you didn't realize that you had. Relaxing the jaw, your chin. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Audible exhale out the mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale through your nose. Audible exhale out the mouth. This time, inhale through your nose. Seal your lips. Exhale out the nose. Another breath just like that. Inhale through your nose. Exhale out the nose. Go ahead and continue that breath on your own. With each inhale, you should feel your belly rise full of air. And with each exhale, that navel goes closer and closer to your spine. A couple more breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Bring your arms to the side. Palms are up. Now take your hands to your thighs and close your legs like you're closing the pages of a book. From here, windshield wiper your legs from right to left, left to right. The bottom of your next exhale, find stillness. The bottoms of your feet are on your mat. From here, bring your knees into your chest. Give yourself a nice hug, but keep your back, your head, your neck, everything on your mat. From here, rock yourself forward and backwards 3 times. Give yourself 3 nice rocks here. On your third rock, meet me in a tabletop position. So you're in a tabletop position here. The tops of your feet are down to the mat. Your fingertips are spread wide, your shoulder blades are down the back, and your gaze is to your mat. Let's take cat-cow together. Inhale, cow pose, drop your belly, shine your heart to the sky. Very nice. Exhale, cat, round your back, bring your belly button all the way into your spine. Inhale, drop the belly, cow pose. Exhale, cat. From here, go ahead and Add some organic movements to this, or option to stay here in cat-cow. Maybe you roll out the hips from left to right. Maybe you incorporate the neck, whatever feels good here. Rotate it, go to the other side now. Couple more breaths, whatever you need here. Bottom of your next exhale. Meet me back in tabletop position. Find stillness. Inhale, tuck your toes. Exhale, downward facing dog. Bring your hips up to the sky. This may be your first downward facing dog of the day, so go ahead and pedal it out right to left. Breathe. Your gaze is now towards your knees, so relax that neck. Find stillness and listen to my cues. Spread your fingertips wide. Bring your shoulder blades down the back. Your stomach is all the way in. Now bring that chest closer to your thighs. Now this may mean your knees may hover, and that is completely fine. Whatever you need to do to get that chest closer to your knees and closer to your thighs. Relaxing the head and neck. Inhale. Exhale, stretch deeper. Inhale, rise up to your tippy toes, all the way up. Bring those heels up. Exhale, lower. One more time. Inhale. Exhale, lower. Hold it here. Stillness. Travel to the top of your mat. Now, grab opposite elbows if that feels comfortable to you, and just drop your neck here. Just hold it. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Bring your fingertips back to the mat. Bend the knees and roll up. Inhale, mountain pose. Bring the arms up. Shoulder blades are down the back. Swivel your pinkies in to face each other. Exhale, bring your hands to heart. Again, inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, this time forward fold. Come all the way down. Inhale, halfway lift. So here, your hands can either be on the thighs, on your shins, or on your fingertips are on the mat. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your palms and step back to high plank. I'm gonna face you this way. Roll those shoulder blades down your back. Stomach is in, just hold it here. Exhale, chaturanga, lower the body all the way down and meet me in a cobra. Inhale, tuck your toes. Exhale, downward facing dog. Very nice, you guys. Let's do that flow one more time. Bottom of the next exhale, travel to the top of your mat. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your palms, step back, chaturanga, all the way down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Come back down to a tabletop position for me. Now find a comfortable seat. Comfortable seat here. Swing your feet together to the front of your mat. Flex your toes. Inhale, bring the arms up. Exhale, forward fold only to what is accessible for you. Maybe that's your toes, maybe that's your chin. Maybe that's your shins or your thighs. Option to also grab blocks if that helps you as well. Also, option to grab straps if you want to continue to work on your flexibility and get a good hamstring stretch. Using a strap is great here. Whatever works for you. Relax the neck, relax the head. Keep those shoulder blades down your back and keep that chest proud. Inhale. Exhale. One more time here. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, roll up. All right, meet me on your backs. Let's finish this up. Bring your knees into your chest. Rock from left to right. From here, happy baby. You can grab the outsides of your feet. You can use your 2 fingers here on each hand and grab your big toes. You can grab the inside, whatever feels good for you. And now, just smile. This is happy baby. This is my favorite pose. Just use this time here just to breathe. The bottom of your next exhale, find stillness. Release your hands. Bring your knees back into your chest. Peel your shoulder blades off the mat. Give yourself a nice big hug. Bring your forehead to your knees. Take a deep inhale. Inhale, 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 inhale. Sip in just a little bit more air. Make this the biggest breath you've had all day. Exhale, final Shavasana. As you're getting settled into your final Shavasana, option to take blocks. When I'm using my blocks, I like to place a block right underneath so that my neck can rest and then another block underneath my knees. Or my favorite is to actually use my bolster and bring the bolster underneath my knees. Okay, final Shavasana. But whenever you're ready, start to bring awareness back into your body. Wiggle your fingertips. Wiggle your toes. Move your jaw from left to right, up and down. If you've included props, like your yoga block or your bolster, gently move those out of the way. Turn to either your left or right side in a fetal position, whatever position is calling for you today. Keep those eyes closed. Press yourself up, keeping the eyes closed, and find a comfortable seat. Bring your hands to your heart to prayer. Thank you so much for allowing me to guide you through your practice today. And I just want to remind you that whatever is going on in the world, whatever is going on outside of the 4 corners of your mat, everything is going to be okay. Just breathe. Bring your thumbs to third eye. Namaste.
Just be. Don't take it. Just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal.